Temu, shop like a billionaire. It is time for us to shop like a billionaire for sneakers on Temu. I'm gonna look to buy the best sneakers, the best hype sneakers possible on Temu. Let's see if we can find any off-whites, maybe some Air Mags, maybe some Air Force Ones, Travis Scotts, hey, maybe some Nike SBs. This is gonna be a blast shopping on Temu. Make sure you guys smash that thumbs up, hit that like button, and make sure you guys subscribe. Let's go shopping on Temu. We're gonna look to find the best hype sneakers, the most expensive as well as the least expensive. We're gonna look for it all in this video. Let's start off with something crazy. Let's look for Travis Scotts. I know exactly how we could find them. This is a great idea. We're gonna find them immediately right now. They have them. I know they do. Somewhere on the site, there are the slippers. Where are they? They definitely have them. I know they do. Sneaker slippers. Here they are. We found them. The Travis Scotts. They are here. We got a limited time bonus. Ooh, $100 bonus. But here they are. Let's add those to cart for $15.57. We need those. We definitely need those. Let's add those straight to cart. Size 11. I'll definitely take that. That is my size. Boom. Add it to cart. We need that. We need that. We need that. Next up, we got Travis Scotts immediately, which is crazy. That was crazy. Next up, I don't know. Let's see if we could find any Yeezys. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to do it. Oh, look at that. We immediately found some Yeezys, and these are not looking too bad. They're looking bad, but all right, the all black. I'm not crazy about this one. Maybe this one's a little bit better. Yeah, with the gray's a little bit better. A little bit, not too much. 1957, we'll go ahead and add that to cart. Ooh, they do have different colors. Ooh, we'll keep it with the black though. Let's add that to cart. Let's see what else. We're definitely searching. We're searching. Let me know what sneakers are you looking for on Temu. They have a lot. They definitely have a lot. Let's just scroll actually and see what the heck is going on. Look, okay. All right. We got the white and the green going on. Converse style. We got, ooh, what are these? Ooh, okay. The Rick Owens style going on over there. Merry Christmas. Santa on your sneakers. That's a little interesting there. Oh, we got the black Air Force energy going on. There's a lot going on Temu. What is this? Oh my, RIP to Kobe. That is crazy. That is crazy that they have these. That is nuts. Wow. There's a lot on Temu. There's a lot on Temu. But we're looking for the hype stuff, right? We're looking for the good stuff. Let's see. Let's keep scrolling. Ooh. Okay, we got the light up shoes. Those are a little interesting if you like light up sneakers. Those are definitely interesting. We got some more Yeezy wannabe 500s over here. Definitely have some interesting Yeezys as well. But let's see if we could find the Nike Mag. I'm not sure if we're going to find them, but you never know. Maybe they do. Maybe got the Mags. I'm looking for them. Ooh, we do have the Crocs. We got the Soleil Benberry Croc going on over here. These would be interesting to get in hand, actually. Let's go ahead and add that to cart. Let's add that to cart. That would be interesting to get. We'll keep it with the sky blue color. That would be interesting, I think, to get those in as well and see how those are. Those would definitely be interesting. They do have some Jordans going on here. Wow, they got the 23 on the back and everything. That is absolutely crazy. That is wild. That is wild. Ooh, Balenci's. They got the Balenci's. They got the Balenciagas going on. That is crazy. Ooh. Ooh, we got to see if we can find them. We found them. Foam runners. Here they are. They got the foam runners. We're going to definitely add the red pair. Oh, man, those are way off. But definitely add that red pair to cart as well. Got to get a pair of those in, man. You can't sleep on the foam runners. And here they are. We got the big red boots. The big red boots. We're definitely going to go ahead and get those in. That is like one of the most viral sneakers of the entire year. So we're definitely going to go ahead and add that to cart. This is crazy shopping on Temu. I am shocked at a lot of these. Oh my goodness. Light up Yeezys. Temu, what is going on? What is going on? This is wild what's going on this site. This is absolutely wild with all the shoes. What is this? Basketball? It's an actual basketball slide. Guys, Temu has some wild wild, crazy shoes. Here we go with the cause. They definitely have some hype beast options. Those look like hype beast little options there with the cause slippers, and they just have so many more. Crocs, Yeezys. What is this? Looks like they took kind of like the Yeezy Wave Runner colorway and tossed it on the 450. This is wild. That is wild. There's so many crazy, and here they are, the Yeezy slides. We'll definitely go ahead and add that to cart. Gotta run up this cart, add that as well. They don't have the black. We'll go with, I guess we'll do the green. We'll do the green on that. Run up this cart, man. This is gonna be expensive, but we gotta run this up. We gotta get some of these crazy options in and see how they are in hand. This is gonna be wild. Make sure you guys keep on watching. This is crazy. I'm shocked at some of the options that Temu actually has on their site. This is mind-blowing. Look at this. Like, what is going on? So let's find more crazy options. I do want to look for Nike SBs. I'm not sure if we're gonna find SBs. I'm gonna give it a Nike because I know they're not gonna have it on there. Let's just type in SB Dunk, or maybe just Dunk. Oh, they do have some dunks. They do have some dunks going on with the off-white laces style going on there with the heart. This is wild. They have so many crazy options. We'll get a pair of those in. Why not? This is wild. There's so many crazy. This is like the Yeezy Knit Runner almost. You know, that sock-like shoe. There's so many wild options going on this website, on Temu. This is absolutely crazy. I can't believe they have all of these. Guys, how is some of this stuff legal? Is some of this a scam? I guess we'll find out, right? We'll find out when we do go ahead and place the order and get some of this stuff in. And right here, ooh, this is like, I could see Travis dropping this. I could see Travis dropping that colorway. That's kind of crazy. They have so many wild stuff. So much wild and crazy, you know, out there sneakers and just things you wouldn't expect to see, you know, on this website, which is just wild. And how they get away with some of it. Like this, the Air Forces right here. We found some Air Forces. This is crazy. We're gonna go add that to cart as well. This is nuts. How is this legal? How? Someone explain it to me. I just don't understand some of these, how they get away with some of these. Like, some of these are just straight up ripoffs and taken. It's so obvious. This is wild. I think that might be enough. I think we have a good amount of selection. I think we found some of the best items, to be honest, on Temu. And I think it's time. Let's take a look at the cart. I think it's time that we go ahead and check out. And, yeah, we get this rolling. $151. This is going to be expensive, but let's place this order and let's get everything in. If you guys can get this video up to 1,000 likes, I'm going to do another video. We're going to unbox everything from Temu. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know what sneakers are you looking for on Temu. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire, straight fire. We were not able to find any off-whites or anything too crazy on Temu, but hopefully we will in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. We out.